I want to make one statement, particularly on what is happening in this great country of ours. The cardinal and the primary responsibility of any government, as we know, is to protect and secure its people. Security is the paramount responsibility of a government, because the government is supposed to protect human life and the property. What we are seeing in Kenya today is most unfortunate and very sad, because yesterday you saw Kisumu, wounds who are being sponsored by government agents. We saw what happened in Orikarau, Nyandarua, where a policeman shot somebody who was innocent. We condemn this because really, as Kenya, if we go down that road, then we will not be our country. We will not be able to have a country. We are appealing to the government of Kenya to come and take its responsibility as government a little bit seriously, because if it continues this way, then we are totally going to be a failed state. Here in Kisii, we are having a lot of bullyism, a lot of violence, a lot of insecurity all over. And the financiers and the sponsors of this particular violence are known. And we are also asking government to take the necessary required steps so that these particular people can be arrested and taken to court. Because the sponsors of what happened in Kirumbu and all these other areas are known. But so far, no action has been taken. So we appeal to government to take the necessary required action.